Hello. Hello, Anisha.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Have you got any system or something to practice?
No, sir, apps is not coming, no, sir.
So, how can you practice? Means, how can you practice it? So, computer.
College is not this, all this.
So, is there any possibility to arrange a laptop? No, laptop is not or computer. Laptop or computer.
Okay, sir, I am asking, sir. I continue.
Oh, okay. Okay. Because our courses are moving. So that is why I just remind you, okay, we configure at that is all. And now we are going to today the class is about enter. So till now you didn't practice. That is what makes me scared.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And what about your friends? Like in this class, there will be some friends for you, right?
Okay.
Nobody.
What, sir?
Means, can you practice with your friend's laptop? Like,
Okay, sir.
uh, just 1 hour is enough per day. Just 1 hour is enough. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Guys, do you know whether this recording is going process or not?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I'm asking this. It means only the sound and video will be recorded, right?
Yes, sir. Sound and video.
Means this my sound, mic sound and this screen, right?
Yes, sir.
45 means let's assume that if I play music in this laptop, will that also record?
Yes, sir.
That also record?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then let's start the class. So I think everyone is familiar with this F02 and F07. This entry question, right? Is there any doubt for anybody? Because we are going to the next topic. Okay. Anybody, those who have doubt, please inform me. Now, if it is possible, just inform me now itself.
Sir, I got an error.
Tell me.
Sir, can
What is
we
it?
do this entry accounts receivable to sales?
Yeah, sure.
So I was getting an error when
Just
I
a
did
minute.
account receivable to sales.
Just a minute. Let me log in. So you got error in account receivable. Account receivable.
Account receivable to sales. Is it correct entry?
Let me see. So what was the entry that you posted?
Account receivable to sales.
Who is this? Your name
Neeraj
is?
Kumar.
Dheeraj Kumar. So we are posting uh, account receivable, account up to sales, which means we are giving credit sale to a party. Okay. So first thing is that you have to select account receivable. Debit side. Uh, this thing I am giving 20,000. This was area. Sales and 50. And here we have to give sales. Okay. Uh, exactly at which moment do you get error? Do you know that? In FS02 or FS07?
07, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we have posted the credit sale entry. Now we are going to post payment receiving. Okay. We are going to post the entry for receiving the payment. So the T code is F-07. Oh. Dheeraj. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I understand. You posted this. The problem is that in this F-02 and F-02 is no problem, but this receiving payment now that we can't do in F-07. Actually, this F-07 I forgot. I think I forgot to say. In this
Only
F-07, yeah, tell me.
only accounts payable, sir. In this
No,
FDAS.
monthly accounts payable, all the payment entry can be posted. Okay, that is the common. Actually, this you can see outgoing payment.
Yes, sir.
That is what happens. Okay, just a
Okay, sir.
minute. Okay, fine. So next, is there any other doubt?
No, sir.
Anybody? Okay. So next topic is vendor creation. Okay. So who is a vendor to a company? What is vendor? Or who all are the vendor of the company? Anybody? Dheeraj? No, 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 not Dheeraj. Dheeraj, I know you will. Somebody else. Sai Kumar? Sai Kumar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who is a vendor or who is a what do you mean by vendor? Hello?
Vendor is a person who takes something, sir, like money.
Person who take money.
Trade, sir. Trade, a supplier.
Yeah, supplier. That's good. Not taking, okay. There, this taking section is not vendor, okay. The persons or the companies who supply raw materials or goods to the company, they are known as vendors. Okay. So think that if a company which deals with computer, okay, the company which purchase computer and sales. So for that company, computer is their product or the goods. So the person who supply computer, that persons are known as vendors. Okay. So there are two types of vendors for a company. One is regular vendor and the other one is one-time vendor. Okay. So the regular vendor is like companies precious ones. Like they used to trade with the company for long term. They have a relation between for a long term basis. Okay. And this one time vendor is like a new party or new vendor. The company may not know. They may thinking just a possibility. I am going to say possibility. A company used to purchase a product, the goods from a vendor, a regular vendor for so many years. That is why it is known as regular vendor. So the company once got to know that the rate which they are supplying the goods is very much high. So the company decided to look for a new vendor. So a company find out that vendor and for just one time, just for a test, they are buying products from that vendor. Means another vendor. Okay. So that particular vendor is like a one-time vendor. Okay. They don't know. The company don't know about the vendor, and the vendors don't know about the company. At that time, the company, the vendor won't allow for credit purchase because they two are means they two are strangers for each of them. Okay, so they don't know each other, so they won't. This vendor won't provide credit purchase. Okay, but the regular vendor will allow credit purchase because they know they are familiar each other. Okay, they know each other. So sometimes for an adjustment they might provide credit side because the uh, business has to go on now. So they provide credit purchase for the customer only if it is regular vendor. Okay. So now we are going to create a vendor in SAP. Okay. So first of all, for creating a vendor, we need to create a vendor account group for our company code. First, we have to create, repeating this step. First, we have to create vendor account group for the company. So for that, we have to go to /n OVD3. See, vendor account group. So here we are just creating an account group for vendor. So click on, we are creating a new thing. So click on your entry, and in account group, you give any code for the account group, this vendor group. So I am giving the company code itself, and in meaning, just type what you are creating. You are creating vendor group for CVC. After that, we have to do some settings. Okay, for that, click on company code data, double click. Okay, account management. So here, reconciliation account has to be put in required. It is mandatory that we have to fill reconciliation account. So click on reconciliation and reconciliation account as required, and cash management group as suppressed. We don't need it. It's not means it's not needed. That is why you are giving it to suppress. Then we can save it. Okay. So we have created account vendor account group. So I am repeating this step. Go to OBD3, new entry, give the account group. What does it mean? Account group for vendor group for company code. Go to company code, accounts management. Here, reconciliation account should be required and cash management should be suppressed. After that, save it. Okay. So we have created a account group for our vendor group for our company. So next step is we need to assign a number range for this vendor group, because the vendor that we are going to create will be stored in this account group. So we need to assign, not creating, we are just assigning the number range. For that, the code is OBAS. Okay, OBAS is the code. After that, go to position, give our account group. Okay, here our account group and company code is same, but just understand what we are giving here. We are filling not company code. Besides, we are giving account group which we have created just a minute ago. CVC was our account group. Center. So you can see CVC account group vendor group for CVC. After that, click on this search button, and you can see so many number ranges here. This is actually not made by us. It's made by ABAP peoples, and you have to select the biggest maximum select the biggest number range in it. Okay, because the people who created this will do something in this number range. So we have to select a big number range. Then only we can create these vendors. Okay, and also when selecting in this ext column, if there is X, don't select that one. Okay, here this one and this one, you can't select it. We can, but it is won't be going to success. Okay. So this one I am selecting. It have a big range of numbers. So I'm double click on it. After that, save it. So we have created, we have assigned numbers for the company, not company, for the vendor group. Okay. So next step is we have to set the tolerance. So I have already told you what is tolerance. Can you please, Jennifer? Jennifer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please tell me what is tolerance?
What is what, sir? I couldn't hear.
What is tolerance? Tolerance.
Tolerance.
Yeah, what is tolerance?
Uh, sir, I forgot, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. Deepika, Deepika, are you there? Okay. Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
yeah, can you please tell me what is tolerance?
Tolerance is setting a limit, sir.
Yeah, correct. We have to set a limit. Already we have set a limit for our invoice, credit sale, and for discount also we have set a tolerance. Now we are going to, okay. Jennifer, do you understand what is tolerance?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
It's
okay.
for the limits setting.
We are setting a limit. Setting a limit is called tolerance. Okay. So now we are going to set a tolerance for this vendor. So for that, you have to go to slash and ob, not ob, yeah, ob, oba3. Yeah, oba3. Here we are going to set a tolerance not only for vendor but also for customer also. This tolerance will include. Okay. So for that, click on new entry, give our company code. After that, don't give anything in this tolerance group. Just first tab. Here you just type tolerance for vendor or customer. After that, save it. No need to put this amount. Is a particular before we used to put the amount, right? Here there is none. Just create the head. That's enough. Okay. So after that, we have to give. We have to create a account for the vendor. For that, go to our wait. Vinay Babu. Yeah, yeah. Wait. Sorry, sorry, Vinay. Have you tell anything? Hello. Your voice is breaking.
Hello,
Hello.
hello,
Hello. Is it audible?
hello.
Hello, Vinay Babu.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me the key code for creating account?
About vendor, sir.
About creating an account. Key code for creating account.
Create.
We have created GL accounts. right?
F dash 02.
Sorry,
F dash 02, sir.
no, it's wrong. We are not entry. We have to create account creation. We code for account creation.
FH 00.
Yeah, correct. That's what it. So
Okay, sir.
FS00. So here we are going to create a sundry creditor account. Okay. So for this sundry creditor account, the settings have some difference. Okay. That you have to note it down. It is very, very important. Okay. So as usual, this sundry creditor is a liability. So we are checking the number. It's 2000 until 2001 has been completed. So next number is 2002. Press enter. So this sundry creditor is a liability. So click on liability. Liability is in balance sheet and give sundry creditors. After that, go to control data. Don't need to give balance in local currency. It is not necessary. You have to go to reconciliation account for account type. Okay. In that, click on this arrow. In there, you have to select vendors. Okay. After that, come down and click on line item display as usual. And in short key, it is not 001. It is 012 vendor number. Okay. Please note, it is not 001. It is 012 vendor number. After that, click on create bank interest and in field status group, give G067 reconciliation account. Okay. Usually for liability, we have to give G001, but for this sundry creditor, it is belongs to this vendor creation. Give G067. After that, save it.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Yeah, tell me, go please.
Dheeraj, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, if you have already created sundry creditors, we should again create it.
Yeah, we have to create because the settings are different. The sundry creditor which has been created by you, it is in the ordinary way, right?
So can we create
We
two
can edit
entries
now,
with
sir.
same name?
Or you do one thing, you edit it. You have created the sundry creditors, right? So
Yes,
I
sir.
have told you how to edit, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you just edit it according to the settings which I have set right now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So after this, after this process, the settings for the vendor creation has been over. Okay. So I will recap the settings. First, you have to create account group. The code is OBD3.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, if possible, can you please repeat the steps just now what you
Yeah,
repeated? Account creation.
account creation.
Yeah, yeah.
The code is FS00. After that, click on the create button and give the next GL account of liability. Okay. Then you have to give liability in account group. After that, liabilities belong to balance sheet. Then give the short text and long text as sundry credit. After that, go to control data. Just a minute. Yeah. After that, go to control data. It is not necessary to give balance in local currency. Just give reconciliation account for account type. This is a new setting for you guys. This is only for sundry creditors and sundry debtors. Okay. Sundry debtors I didn't teach you. You don't go that side. You just get sundry creditors only. In sundry creditors, give vendors. In reconciliation account for account type, give vendors. After that, activate line item display. Then this note key should be 0, 1, 2. Then go to create bank interest. Then in field status view, give G067. It is reconciliation account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you do this. Okay. So the settings has been over. First we have to create account group for vendor. The code is OVD4. After that we have to assign a number range for the vendor group. Then we have to assign the tolerance for vendor group. Then next step is we have to create a account, GL account for sundry creditor, as sundry creditor. Then so it is all. So next thing is that we have to just a minute, guys. Okay. So after that, we are going to create a vendor. Okay. Inside this account group, we are going to create a vendor. So that the P code is /nxk01. So this is the interface which is going to come. So we have to give the company code. Sometimes it may be already good. After that, give the account group. CVC was the account group. Just select it. After that, press enter. Then in title, we have to give whether this company is a company or sole proprietorship, like that. If it is a company, give company. Otherwise, Mr. or Mrs. will be there. So I am giving company and give the company's name. I am giving OLO. It's a company name. And in real time, you have to give all these details. But now we are just giving country and region. So country is India and in region 11. After that, just press enter. So in account control, we have to give the tax details and all. So I didn't teach you that, so no need to give this. Just press enter again. So this is the bank details. Okay. So now we don't need to give this bank details. Only at the time of what working as in a company. Center contact person is the details of the owner of that owner of the vendor company. After that, this thing in reconciliation account we have to give, just open it. So this sundry creditor is what we have created in FS00, and only if we give this reconciliation account as this vendor, then only this thing will be appearing here. Okay, so just double click and sort key. Give the sort key 012 itself. Then press enter. In payment terms, we have to give 0001. So what is this 0001 is I'm going to type is, it means that we have to, when the amount is due, means at the, just a minute guys. So this 0001 means payable immediately due next. Means at the time of the due, we have to give the amount as soon as possible. That is what is okay. So just double click on it. Then payment method. In which method we are paying the amount? Whether it is cash, check, like that. So I'm paying through check. So in most of these MNCs, we will be paying through check only. So just press C. Then press enter. This sending also identity issued. Again press enter and click on yes. So the vendor has been created. One vendor, OLO is the vendor name. It has been created. So now we are going to post an entry. So the T code for posting an entry is F-43. So go to F-43. So this is the screen will be almost, it will be same as the F-02. Okay. So just give the date and give the company code is already there. Currency is also there. So now you can see it is not 40 or 50, it is 31. Okay. So this 31 is for vendor. If we give the posting key as 31, only the vendor will be showing in this account. Okay. So let it be 31 itself. So the OLO, the vendor which has been created, click on it. After that, press enter. Yeah. So in company code CVC, the number range 19 is missing. So you have to Click on the new bar. Then give OBA 7. Click on your entries. Number range information. Give the company code. Intervals. And they are saying that number range 19 is missing. Okay. So we have to give 90. So a new number range is going to add up. So click on this plus symbol and type 19 number, and the year is 2022. After that, the number we have created 3000 to 3999. So I'm giving 4000 to 4999. Press enter. Save it. Okay. Come back. I'm giving the amount as 20,000. Okay. After that, give this part will be some different will be there. Give the business area. Then give a text. Actually, we are the entry. What is actually forgot to say the entry, right? Anusha, hello Anusha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please tell me the entry for credit purchase, which is I am purchasing on credit from OLO company. So what will be the entry? Hello Anusha.
Sir.
Do you know the entry?
Credit for
Sorry.
no, sir.
Okay. Sandhya. Dheeraj. Dheeraj. Yeah, Kumar. No problem. Yeah, Kumar. Dheeraj Kumar.
Purchase
Okay.
to Mr. Olu.
Yeah, correct. So purchase account after to OLO, that is the entry. So now the OLO has been OLO is in credit side, right? So this credit side has been finished. Just a minute. Then so the credit side is finished. Now the debit side. So the credit debit side, the T code is sorry, the posting key is 40. Just give as it is and give the account. So purchase is what you have to give here. Unfortunately, I didn't create the purchase account. Nice. So just a minute. We have to go to FS00 and we need to create purchase. So purchase is an expense. So click on new button 3001. Expense is in profit and loss. Purchase. Control data. Balance in local currency. Line item display. Sort key as 001. After that, create bank interest and give G004. Okay, it is an expense. Then we can save it. So we have created the purchase account. Now this account will be here. Yeah, there it is. Press enter. We have already given the amount, so give star and business period CVC and the text is also has been given. Press enter, save. Okay, understood? Is there any doubt? Anybody? Is there any doubt in this section?
No, sir.
Okay. So now you guys have to create a vendor group and you have to assign the number range, tolerance, and create vendor account. Sorry, this country character account. Then you have to create vendor and post an entry now itself. Just try it, and if you face any error or any difficulties, please tell me. I will be there. Okay.
Sir, can you please repeat this XK01 and F-43? Hello.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. XK01, right?
XK01 and F-43, so both.
Yeah. Okay. So I will first I will say XK01. When we type XK01, this will be the window. Give the company code and the account group. After that, press enter. Then we have to give the title, whether it is a company or a sole proprietorship, whatever it is. After that, give the name of the company. OIO is the company name, and country, give the country and the region. Okay. After that, press enter. Here you have to give the tax number and tax details of that vendor. Then here you have to give the bank details. Here the contact details. Here you have to make link. Okay, actually you are giving a link. Reconciliation account. Open this and give the sundry creditor. This sundry creditor is from this FS00 which we have created in FS00. In that, only in control data we have given vendor for reconciliation account. Only if we give vendor for reconciliation account, this will be here. Okay, so give it. Then give the sort key as 012. So this page is done. Press enter again. Here you have to give the payment times as 0001. 0001 means it is a code for it is they are commanding like the due amount has to pay as soon as possible. That is what it means. Okay. After that, payment method through how we are paying this amount. So most of the company will be through check. So just type C here. After that, press enter again. So this is dunning procedure that I didn't teach you. I will teach you later. So right now it is not necessary. Press enter again and click on yes. So the vendor has been created. So next is we are going to post an entry /n F-43. Give the date and company code and currency has to be given. And here this posting key is 31. let it be like that, because this posting key 31 means if you put posting key 31, then in the account only vendors will be showing. Okay, so that is what we need. Okay, so click on this, just open it. Okay, so see, two vendors are there now. First one was OLO and second one is OIO. Okay, so now you are purchasing something from OIO as credit purchase. So we have selected the vendor, presenter, give the amount. I am giving 50,000. After that, business area. Then text. After that, just say the entry. What is the entry? Entry will be purchase account at the to OIO, right? So this OIO is just been given, right? OIO and the amount is given. Now the purchase account is not. So purchase in debit. So give 40 and give the account, purchase account. After that, press enter. We have already given the amount, so press star, business area, text. We have already given, so press enter and save it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you just practice these steps now itself. If there is any error or any difficulties, please
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, I'm getting an error while editing this Sunday creditor.
Please share your screen.
Yes.
Yeah, showing.
This one.
Just close this box. Go to control data. Click on the save button again. Oh, have you posted any entry with these Sunday characters?
No.
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 Go to FBL 3 and there it is Sunday characters you have posted entries. That's what okay. So now it is not post because you have posted entries. So this account is already there for that entry. So now you can't post any. Sorry, you can't edit it. That's what it is saying. You do one thing. You create a new Sunday character. Put some star mark or something to understand just the old one.
Okay. I will.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me in Jules.
once you see this, sir. So I started here.
Yeah,
So enter,
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 enter.
enter.
Then it is ending, sir, here.
Is this editing or creation?
Edited, sir. I have edited first time. It's creation. I edited that standard creators. This is creation.
Do one thing, you click on cancel. Now press enter. No, click on no. Give your company code.
Company code.
Company code.
There is no company code, sir.
Click on the search button. Now you click on the search button in this box.
Yes, sir.
Or click. Yeah, that one. Yeah, click. Give it. Give your company code again. Press enter.
Yeah, it came.
Yeah, double click it. That one is your company code, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you press enter. Give the title. Name. Give country. Region. Press enter. Again. Again. Yeah, there it is. Now give your reconciliation.
Okay.
So guys, can I wind up the class? You just practice, and if there is any doubt, you just text me on WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
మామ ధీరజ్ మామ ఉన్నావా?
చెప్పరా రే, దీంట్లోనే మాట్లాడుకుందామా మనం?
అరే ఒకసారి చూడరా ఏమో వచ్చింది ఇది.
ఏమో
ఆగు ఒకసారి ఆగు చూడు. ఏంది ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు?
ఇడ అది కొట్టు ఫస్ట్ డబ్బా స్టార్ ఉంది కదా,
ఏం కొట్టాలి రేడా?
దాని పక్కన సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోరా, అది సన్రైజ్ క్రెడిటర్.
ఓకే ఇంకా షార్ట్ కి ఇవ్వాలా?
షార్ట్ కి 012.
షార్ట్ కి 012.
ఏమో ఏదో పెంట ఉంది ఈడ.
ఏమైంది ఇప్పుడు? ఇక్కడ ఏమో వేయాలి, ఇక్కడ ఏమో గుర్తొస్తుంది నాకేమో వేసి ఉంది. షార్ట్ కి 012 తర్వాత ఎంటర్ కొట్టాలా?
కొట్టే ఎంటర్.
ఎంటర్ ఇక్కడనేమో ఏమో ఇవ్వాలి.
అది కొట్టు పేమెంట్.
0001 1 సరే ఇంకా పేమెంట్ మెథడ్ అంట. పేమెంట్ మెథడ్ ఏంది? ఏం చేయాలి? సి. అసలు సి ఏంరా? అదే ఏం లేవురా.
ఏదిరా?
అంటే పేమెంట్ మెథడ్ సి నేను
అంతే
చెప్పాను
అంతే
కానీ
అంతే అంతే ఎంటర్.
ఇలా ఏం లేవు.
అంతేరా, ఎంటర్ కొట్టు.
ఓకే,
మళ్ళీ ఎంటర్.
మళ్ళీ అంటారా?
సేవ్. అంతే.
ఎస్, ఎంటర్ కొట్టేస్తున్నా.
అంతే.
చలో క్రియేటెడ్ రా, కథం అయిపోయిందా? ఇంకేముందా చేసేది?
జయ 43.
ఓ
అందరు వెళ్ళిపోయారా?
ఏమో ఇంకా నలుగురు ఉన్నారు మామ. నువ్వు ఉంది, నేను,
నువ్వే 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 ఉన్నావు.
ఇప్పుడు నేనే,
నువ్వు-
ఇంకోరు ఉన్నారు ఎక్స్ట్రా. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? కోడ్ చెప్పు ఒకసారి.
NF-43. కొట్టి కీబోర్డ్ అరిగిపోతుంది. ట్యాబ్ కొట్టి.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలరా? డేట్ రా.
అదే రాయ్. అరే రంబర్ రేంజ్ కొట్టినా కదరా, మళ్ళా మిస్సింగ్ అంటుంది ఏంద్రా?
పోయి మళ్ళా
ఎన్నిసార్లు చేయాలరా? ఇప్పుడే ఇచ్చిన.
వచ్చినావా? ఓకే, డేట్ అయిపోయింది. పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ ఇంకేంది? డాక్యుమెంట్ నెంబర్ ఏం అవసరం లేదు, రిఫరెన్స్ ఏం అవసరం లేదు. ఎంటర్ కొట్టాలా?
అదే కింద చెయ్యి, కిందికి రా.
ఏముంది కింద? ఇదా
ఏడా
డాక్యుమెంట్
ఇంకా
నెంబర్?
రారా? ఏడరా ఇంకా ఈడ కింద రా, ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఐటమ్.
కనబడతలేదు నాకు.
కింద స్క్రోల్ చేయరా, కిందికి స్క్రోల్ చేయి.
అరే రే రే అబ్బా, ఈడున్నా. అది
దాచుకుంటది అది.
అకౌంట్ ఏం ఎంటర్ చేయాలా సెంటర్ క్రెడిట్ ఏమో వచ్చింది రైట్. డి షార్ట్ ఫామ్ పెట్టినాను మామ. ధీరజ్,
అరే నాకు వచ్చిందిరా. అచ్చా అచ్చా అచ్చా, ఓకే, నువ్వు క్రియేట్ చేసిన అందుకే వచ్చింది.
అవునవును. ఇప్పుడు ఏంది, సేవా ఎంటరా?
ఏంది ఎంటర్?
అరే ఏమో వచ్చిందిరా.
అదే నంబర్ రేంజ్ నీకు కూడా అదే.
సరే చెప్పేది. నంబర్ రేంజ్ ఏముంది? కోడ్
NOBA7.
OBA7.
ఏంద్రా వెండర్ 3133 నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్ ఇన్ కంపెనీ.
ఏమైంది? ఏమొచ్చింది?
ఏమో ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది పెద్దది.
చూపియరా? బంద్ చేయాలా అనేది?
వద్దు కానీ వెండర్ ఇవన్నీ రికార్డ్ అయితేరా అనిరుద్.
ఎడిట్ చేసుకుంటాను మామ. ఏమన్నా వాళ్ళు కట్ చేద్దామా?
భయమా? వచ్చిందిరా.
వచ్చిందా? ఏం చేసినావు?
చెయ్యి నువ్వు చూపి చేద్దాం.
ఒక్క సెకండ్. ఏం వచ్చిందిరా? నంబర్ రేంజెస్, నంబర్ ఇంటర్వల్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇంక్లూడెడ్. సేవ్ చేయాలా వద్దా కట్ ఏం చేస్తా
ఉపేంద్ర
ఇంటర్ కొడుతున్నాయి ఇప్పుడు అమౌంట్ అంట మామ ఇవ్వాలి అమౌంట్
నాకు చూపించారా స్క్రీన్?
చూడు
ఈడయి
అమౌంట్ వేయాలా
ఏయ్
ఎంత 5,000 వేస్తా
బిజినెస్ ఏరియా ఇచ్చాయి.
ఏరియా ఏంది బిజినెస్ ఏరియా అకౌంట్స్ పెట్టాలా
పెట్టు ఏదన్నా పెట్టరా ఏదన్నా పెట్టు.
చలో ఇంకా
కిందికి వచ్చాయి ఇక నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ ఐటమ్ అని ఉంది కదా. సారీ టెక్స్ట్
టెక్స్ట్ టెక్స్ట్ ఈమెయిల్ టెక్స్ట్
టీవీ పర్చేజ్
ఏం సివియా సివి
పర్చేజ్
సివి ఎందుకు మామ సివి ఎందుకు వెళ్ళి చెప్తారా
ఏమో సార్ టీవీ అంటే సార్ కంపెనీ అనుకో. నువ్వు
పర్చేజ్ పెడదాం రైట్ ఏమంటావు అవునా హలో హలో బాబు ఉంటేవా లేదా అరే సివి పర్చేస్ కాదా క్రెడిట్ పర్చేస్ రా నాయనా సిఆర్
హలో
మామ సివి కాదు మామ సిఆర్ అది
సిఆర్ అంటే
క్రెడిట్ పర్చేస్ అని మామ
అయ్యా నేను సివి అని ఇచ్చిన.
ఏం కాదు తెలియదు అకౌంట్ ఏమైంది అది
అకౌంట్ మొన్న ఇది ఏంది పర్చేజ్ అకౌంట్.
పర్చేస్ అకౌంట్ ఎంటరా సేవా
ఎంటర్ ఈ అమౌంట్ కాడ అదే స్టార్ టెక్స్ట్ దగ్గర ప్లస్
స్టార్ టెక్స్ట్ బిజినెస్ ఏరియా అడుగుతుంది కదా
ఈ చేయొచ్చు మనం.
చలో డన్ సేవ్ చేయాలా
సేవ్
document 3 was posted right khatam साल यार के साथ right కాదు మామ చేస్తావా ఇంకా